Today we are going to study about nervous system. Nervous system is found in all chordates or vertebrates. Nervous system is made up of a special type of cells known as nerve cells or neurons. Today we are going to study about nervous system. Nervous system is found in all vertebrates or chordates. Nervous system coordinates and control the functions and various body organs of an organism. So now today we are going to study about this nervous system. The nervous system is made up of nerve cells or neurons. That means nerve cells are known as neurons. And second, the neuroglia cells. First is the nerve cells and second is the neuroglia cells. The structure of nerve cells. The nerve cells consist of two main parts, or we can say that a neuron has two main parts. The first is cytone or cell body or perikaryon, and second is axon. First, cytone, this part is called cytone and this part is the axon. The cytone consists of, or the cell body consists of many structures. The cytoplasmic projections These are known as dendron. The dendron ends into fine fibers known as dendrites. The cytone, which is the star-shaped, contains a prominent nucleus. Which has a nucleolus. The cytoplasm of this cytone is called neuroplasm. Which contain some granules, and these granules are known as Nissel's granules. And all the cell organelles except the centrosome, such as ribosome, mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, all cell organelles are present inside the cytone. But centrosome is absent because the neuron or the nerve cell have no power of division. Neuron never divides. So centrosome is absent. Now the long projection, that is the axon. And axon is covered by a myelin sheath. Which is made up of Schwann cells. This myelin sheath is interrupts or at some intervals, that is called node of Ranvier. The axon at the end divided into fibers. Axon is divided into fibers, and these are known as nerve endings or terminal nerves. Now, there are three types of neurons. First, three types of neuron. First is unipolar. Second is bipolar. Second is bipolar neuron. And third is multipolar neuron. Unipolar neuron has only one poles of nerve. Only cytone and axon. Only cytone and axon. Bipolar neuron has cytone, axon and one dendros. It forms the two ends. That means two poles. and multipolar neuron, that is the which have more poles, and that is the multipolar neurons. But all neurons have not the myelinated sheath. That means all neurons have not the myelin sheath. These are not covered with myelin sheath. Some have no sheath. That means in some neurons, myelin sheath is absent. So the axon is myelinated or non-myelinated. The axon of the neuron is known as nerve fibers. So there are two types of nerve fibers. First is myelinated or medullated nerve fibers. And second is non-myelinated or non-medullated nerve fibers. Myelinated nerve fibers, that is covered by a myelin sheath. Which is a fatty sheath and made up of Schwann cells. And non-myelinated or non-medullated sheaths. They lack myelinated sheath or myelin sheath. They lack myelin sheath, but Schwann cells are present around them. Now, second, in nervous system, some specialized non-nervous cells are present which are called neuroglia cells. The number of neuroglia cells are abundant. These are more than the number of neurons. That means the number of neuroglia cells are more than the number of neurons. 10 times more. These are 10 times more than the number of neurons. And the structure of this. the neuroglia cells. Cytoplasm, nucleus, and cytoplasmic processes or projections. The function of neuroglia cells are first to bind the nervous tissue, to bind the nervous tissues by filling the space between them. And second, they provide nutrition to the neurons.